Hi, this is Gene from myfixsmartphone.com. Today we got this iPhone 12 Pro board that came in with a no power. So obviously it doesn't power on, and when I do the quick testing, there's a short on the motherboard. So I'm going to show you what it does. So I got it hooked up to my DC, and when I give power, it just jumps to 9.3, drawing a lot of amp right now because this should be 0. So let's try to find out where the short is. Sorry for the bad video. I forgot to tape myself spraying the freeze, but as you can see, after the freeze and giving the voltage, you can see the left part where ice melted. That's where the short is. That's how you find out where the shorted area is. All right, so I got the board split it, and first of all, before we do anything, I just wanted to check, since this area here was getting hot, so we have to check around it and to take a look at the microscope. And guess what? I don't even have to do the freeze spray anymore. Right there, can you see it? There's a burned cap right next to the probably a Wi-Fi or some IC, but you can see it's clearly burned off. So I have a feeling if I remove that, most likely the problem will be solved. So let's go ahead and remove that first. Okay, checking the schematic of this board, we find out that chip is ultra wideband antenna. So that cap burned right there is called C6400, is VDD main, which is the power line. So once we remove that and replace it, we should have a working phone. Okay, so we remove the cap and connect to the DC, and let's see if the draws any power. There you go. Nothing there. So obviously short has been removed. So what I will do is I found another same cap for this section right here, and I replace it. Okay, the caps has been replaced, and do some cleanup, it should be good to go. All right, I got the board assembled, and normally I would have probably tested it in a jig, but this one I already was able to find the fault, and there was no short on bottom board, so I just went ahead and put it together. Got my DC plugged in, and if I give a juice, you can see is 0, so that means there is no short. So if I give a little prompt to boot, I think it believes right here, then you can see it's booting up. All right, I got the phone assembled, and the battery has showing some usage, probably degraded, but anyway, let's see if it powers on. Press the power button for about 6 seconds. There you go. Oh, I just went to the dark mode. Anyway, you can see the phone is working. I'm gonna have to run this phone into the diagnostic mode to run the diagnostic, since the customer did not provide the passcode. All right, phone is in diagnostic mode. Run diagnostic. Okay, the diagnostic checks out pretty much everything except, let's see, the battery is kind of high. Cycle count is a little high, 85%. Face ID is working, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything else works. Software is not updated because it's OS is only 15.5, which is super old. Other than that, I have to say the phone is working fine. If you have any questions, you can drop us an email or leave a comment, or you can contact us for your B2B repair. Thanks for watching.